Hi guys, I've been asked how I can add value to a cam belt change other than I'm going to their work or their house to do it. So let's spitball some ideas here. Now, first off, you're not just changing a cam belt. That's not the only interaction you have with the customer. So you might not be able to add value to the belt and the work itself, but you can add value to the whole experience for the customer. One way you can do that is through a work uniform, looking smart, looking professional, looking prepared, looking ready to go. Another way that you can do that is by portraying those premium quality parts so the customer knows that they're getting what the manufacturer recommend. Those of you who are mobile, you can have a smart, clean and organized van. If you were the customer and the mobile mechanic turned up and they opened their van door and all of their lunch fell on the floor, or if they turned up nicely dressed in their uniform, nice clean organised van, everything goes in its place, which one would you be willing to pay more? Now this customer has invited me out to their house to work on their car. That's the two most expensive purchases they'll make in their lives. So he needs to know that I'm going to look after both of them. So yes, the mat to protect his drive really does make a difference. You can also use quality parts that the customer recognises, like Bosch or Castrol, so they know that they're getting a premium service. You can reassure the customer that you're doing everything to standard. So now I do feel a little bit of a hypocrite putting up this post because I started in the back of my family car. That was a mess. And it didn't portray that to the customer. Now I understand that there's people on different parts of the journey, so if you're still in the family car, that is okay, but you can progress. And by charging the right amounts, which this discussion started on, you would be able to get out of that car faster than you would if you were charging the lower rates. I think there's something of utmost importance is that after you have sold yourself as a premium service, whether that's on your website or your social media, you have to then turn up to the customer's house and provide a premium service. So they're going to be expecting to pay premium prices for a premium service. They will not be happy, or they will not feel like they've had a value or you've added value if you give them a budget service at a premium price.